First line. A crow is a common blackbird. Second line. It is very intelligent and clever. Third line. Crows have shiny black feathers and a strong beak. Fourth line. They eat grains, insects, fruits, and leftover food. Fifth line. A crow makes a loud caw-caw sound. Sixth line. Crows are found in cities, villages, and forests. Seventh line. They usually live and move in groups. Eighth line. A crow builds its nest on tall trees. Ninth line. It helps keep the environment clean by eating waste. 10th line. The crow is a smart and useful bird in nature.